So here's how to fix USB drive not showing up in Windows 11. So if we go to the File Explorer, and as you can see, we don't have our USB drive showing. So but if we go to this segment, as you can see, our USB drive has been connected but not showing. So how we can solve this issue? Let's find out. So first of all, you need to go and open up your File Explorer like this and move your cursor to this PC. Then right click on your mouse, and then from here you need to tap on the show more options. Then simply select the manage. Alright. Then from here you need to first go into the device manager and simply go with the universal series bus controller. You need to select that, and then from here you'll probably see USB mass storage device. Double tap on it and this will opens up. So right after that you need to go to the drivers and simply go with the update drivers and search automatically for drivers. And if you have any drivers available for updates, simply update that driver. Alright, then close it up. Again close it up. Alright, right after that you need to go to the disk management, select this, and from here as you can see this is my USB drive, but this is not showing. So I need to select this one and right click on your mouse, and this option will show up, change drive ladder and paths. So I will select this option. Now from here you need to tap on add and simply select any of the tab like A, B, C, D, E. So I will go with the E. I haven't any option selected as E, so I will select that, assign the following drive letters, then simply press OK. Now if we close it up and open up our File Explorer, go to this PC, and that's our USB drive showing. So that's how you can do it. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.